Sea caves, hexagonal columns and long stretches of wild coastline. We're exploring Hong Kong's Geopark right here on Drone and Phone. Well, welcome to a brand new series of Drone and Phone. You've probably heard of the Geopark. We're going to do 5 episodes on it. What are we doing today, Jack?
Today's episode 1, we're in Sai Kung. We will go to a bit of education center here to understand a little bit more. Then we'll go to Pala to see some amazing rock formations.
Fantastic day today. Let's get going. The Hong Kong UNESCO Global Geopark is a treasure trove of unique geological heritage and biodiversity, spanning an impressive 100 square kilometres. Situated in the eastern part of Hong Kong, this is a must visit for outdoor enthusiasts living in Hong Kong. To make things easier, we've broken it down into 5 one-day trips to make sure you get to see the best of the amazing geological landscapes. In the first episode, we start at the Geopark Visitor Centre, just outside Sai Kung, and then take a taxi to the drop-off point above Pak Lat Wan, where we start the day hike. Once through the village, we go down to the beach and head off along the coastal trail. A short way in, I find out why Jack has invited me along.
So Jack has just asked me to stand right on this cliff here so that he can get his shot. Now I know why I'm here with him.
The path is not signposted and has numerous variations, so we strongly suggest getting a GPS route to follow before you set off. You'll find one you can download on our website at droneandphone.com.
Okay, let me give you a little update where we are. We've come over from the beach that you may be able to see over there, and we've come down. This hike is very much kind of up and then down. We've just been down to the sea down here, and we're going over to this cave over here. But to do that, rather than just walking around, we need to go all the way up here, along and back down.
The Geopark has many great features, but the sea arches and the sea caves are among our favourites. This stretch has plenty of both, but it requires a little extra legwork to reach them.
So one of the highlights of this particular hike are these amazing sea caves that we come across. This one's probably the most spectacular on this particular walk.
There are a myriad of paths along the top of the cliffs, some through the bushes, some open, others worn by the battering winds. A perfect storm for Jack and I to get back to our bickering ways of old.
Teaching DJ how to raise
Jack's trying to get me to bushwhack.
Easy. Once again, I saved the team. Found the right corner to turn.
But there's an easy path here. Still insists that we take the bushwhack way.
So where is DJ now? Luckily, I'm taking the navigation this time.
Good to be back with Jack.
Once we finally agreed a path, we made headway through the bushes on our way down to a cobble beach.
Well, you can see from this trail that it's not easy. It's not an open trail by any means. Lots and lots of ribbons like this one here, and people have made their own little ways back and forth, but there's no obvious way to get down here, so make sure you bring a map.
After a steep climb back up to the cliffs above the coastline, you come to a plateau of rocks, many of which have been fashioned into cairns. I'm curious to find out if there's any meaning in the stone piles, and I'm surprised to find the act of piling stones on top of one another goes back thousands of years. It appears to be built into human nature, a way of saying, "Hi, I was here." Well, it makes for a good photo shoot.
Well, we've only actually done about 4k, but it's been quite up and down, but not too tough, huh?
No, it's quite easy. But I have to say, as I mentioned, this landscape is the most unique one I have ever hiked in Hong Kong. Never seen this.
We keep asking ourselves, we've been doing this show for 6 years and we have never done this hike before. It is absolutely beautiful. So anyway, a little bit more to go And in fact, the highlight's still to come, so let's get going.
From the Rockpile Plateau, the walk gets a little easier as we continue along the cliffs to a high point where we can see the remainder of the walk. Here we begin a descent towards Po Pin Chau, the poster view for the geopark.
Well, we're just coming down to the most spectacular part of this trail, and there she is.
Po Pin Chau's crescent-shaped landmass was once connected to the mainland, but centuries of relentless erosion by wind and waves has led it to its current separation. Po Pin Chau offers an impressive display of columnar-jointed volcanic rocks, with tall hexagonal columns standing like nature's own skyscrapers. Take time to look out over the islet, with an obligatory selfie of course, before making your way back the way you came, this time veering off towards the East Dam. Getting onto the dam is a little tricky.
I remember you went down, not up.
I think I can get up to there, what do you think? Learning from the master.
Safely onto the dam, walk along the bottom and then up the hill to the car park at the top. Along the way, we suggest a little trivia.
Question. When was Highland Reservoir was built?
Highland Reservoir was built in, I think it was 1967.
1972, 1977.
Okay, well that was pretty close, not bad. Well, we got over to East Dam, and to finish the day as we've only done about 6k, we're hiking up to a viewpoint for sunset, which should be a great finish. Also, Jack promises, here you go, have a look at this.
The optional extra loop gives a great viewpoint of the area and well worth the effort if you have the energy. From the car park, there are taxis and minibuses on weekends, but check the schedule first and make sure you have the local taxi numbers in case you get stuck.
Well, that's it. We've done just over 7 kilometers. It's been a stunning day. I have no idea why we've missed this one in the past. Lots of places, including here, that we've never been. How's it been for you, Jack?
Yeah, we've been doing this show for so many years, and this is a new area we've never been to, and I was shocked. But we're going to explore more, and I'm really happy that you took me here.
Okay, now if you're finding this for the first time, you're going to find all of our other episodes, lots and lots of episodes nicely catalogued on our YouTube channel and on our website at droneandphone.com. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm Jack.
And this is Drone and Phone. What are you doing, Jack?
It's a selfie stick. Get us a selfie. Okay, go backwards, backwards.